So as you can see or hear, it's absolutely chucking down out here. Just got back from my massage. Seriously needed that. My neck was so stiff. Yeah, it's really worth it. Would definitely recommend. I'm in Austria, day 2, and we are up early to go to a yoga class that is not happening today. Obviously, let me show you the sign. We are in Austria, so things are in a different language. Here are the Poetebs. And we mistakenly read Saturday for Sunday. So yoga isn't at 7:30 today, it is actually at 11 AM. So we are having breakfast. So we thought this said Saturday, as you can see, Son, San, Tay. That means Sunday. So yeah, beautiful restaurant. Let me have a quick tour. Pushing yourself, you're not working out, man. You gotta put, especially when you got someone you can work out with. Yeah. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Easy money. Just finished up our gym session. We did a bit of chest, bit of biceps, bit of shoulders, and as you saw, we finished off with the I don't actually know what it's called. It's like a pyramid push-up set. It's absolutely killer. Hi, you right?
Hey, good morning.
Man like Marcus.
Good, man. Feeling good?
Yeah, all good, man, all good. Alright, so I'm all showered, heading back to the hotel and grab some bikes and explore the island, not the island, the lake, and see what we find.
Way you can go up to 1,600 meters on Boden Island. It's e-bikes.
I like being down here.
Marcus,
This is the better tour.
can we take the bikes on the boat?
Yes, you can.
You can? Okay,
yes,
cool.
you can. Like.
So what I think,
Yeah.
Marcus, what I was thinking is go over the bridge.
Yes, go
and then
over
turn
the
right.
bridge.
Turn right
You can.
and go around.
You can go.
Hold on.
You can. Yeah.
Yeah,
you can,
I went around that way. It was safe, much safer going that way. This way, nah.
This way, I wouldn't recommend this way with the bikes. But what you can do.
Keep the power bank in there.
Right, so we are going to get some bikes and head out, and we will try and jump on a ferry
You can
if it is on time and available when we're there. If not, come on the journey with us. Yeah, it's like the cleanest water you can drink. It's like totally fresh, 100% natural. It's literally just, yeah, nature. If you don't hear from me again, then the water was poisoned. I'm dead. I'm critically ill. But yeah, if you man doing this as well, yeah?
No? Yeah.
I've done it last year, but it looked a bit different. It looked cleaner.
Nah, come on, man.
Mate, that's clean. Tell me that's not fresh.
Yeah.
Oh, mate, that's good. That's moving like Buxton and Evian and everything there.
I would drink it, but I need a piss.
That is insane. I've never been anywhere where you can just drink water straight out the ground, out the lake, out the sea, wherever this thing is. Reservoir, river. Fam, I should have studied geography. I don't know if this is a lake or river.
It's a lake.
Is it a lake?
Yeah. Lakes are enclosed.
See that there? Knowledge. Not English. Need ID, mate.
I think it's that bottom.
Oh yeah, maybe because it's alcohol.
Yeah. Don't know. Alright, so that didn't work. Yeah, we're gonna carry on. Couldn't get a beer because it's in Austrian and
Fuck, where am I going?
yeah, no one knows how to use it. So yeah, we're gonna continue on our bike ride. I'm guessing you can drink it. Yeah man, it's pretty fresh. Yeah, tastes like clean, fresh water man, it's pretty cool. So we've stumbled across a random pull-up bar. Already done gym session today, so oh look, some fruit and veg. So that's spring onion, some lettuce, some coriander, cabbage. It's like obligatory. If you see a pull-up bar, have to do a muscle up. It's one of the things.
Well, muscle up, yeah.
I'm back at the apartment. Yeah, that was such an amazing bike ride. Really refreshing. I know it sounds a bit weird, but the air here does feel slightly different. It's almost like just so refreshing. So yeah, we're gonna go to the spa, probably jump in the lake again and back in the spa, in and out, hot and cold. Therapy is really good for you apparently. I felt amazing after doing it last time. Definitely recommend it. I wish I had something like this back in England, back in London, that you could do like at least once a week or once a month, or keep it quite a regular thing rather than just being something you do on holiday. See the man, if you can see them through there. Yeah, head over there now and then hopefully catch some of the football, because I know Arsenal are playing Bournemouth 6:30 tonight in Austrian time. So I might end the vlog here, might not sure. Might take you guys with me. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Peace. But the yoga instructor said if you come now, we may get a space in the yoga class. We went to one this morning at 7:30 and yeah, basically we got the days wrong, so there's one at 4:30. my first ever experience of gong yoga and yin yoga. Very relaxing. I was actually snoring, to be fair. But yeah, definitely be doing that again. 10-10. So we're now at Strand Hotel, just about to get our last dinner for our retreat weekend stay in Austria. It has been, rejuvenating, been well needed. My neck is no longer creaking. I feel amazing. I've actually lost 2 kg. I was 102. Now I'm bang on 100. And yeah, ready to get back to the busy and hustle and bustle of London, England. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned and peace.